As the weather gets cooler, you're going to want to eat something warm, cozy, and comforting in your meal rotation. And this Maharashtrian black-eyed peas curry is exactly that. But what if I told you that it takes just 20 minutes to whip up, especially if you have my gravy base already meal prepped? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you Chawli Usal, which is a Maharashtrian black-eyed peas recipe. I have modified it slightly just so that I can use the meal prepped gravy base, but it tastes just as good as the original and it's very delicious and hearty. Subscribe if you're new here and let's dive right in. To make this, I'm starting by heating a little oil in my wok and then adding some sliced onions, garlic and some defrosted fresh grated coconut. I'm going to saute all of this for about 7 to 8 minutes until it gets a little golden and fragrant, and this step is key to build all those deep flavors. Then I'm setting it aside to cool, and in the same pan, because we're keeping this one pot, I'm adding my meal prep gravy base. I'm adding some water to thin it out and I'm bringing it to a boil. I have linked that video here so that you can check out how to make it. Now on the side, I'm going to take that onion, garlic, coconut mixture and blend it with some fresh coriander or cilantro until it forms a paste. And once my gravy is boiling, I will add the paste in and give it a good mix. And then add the pre-cooked black-eyed peas. You can also use the canned ones, and in general any variety of beans would work really well in this recipe, so feel free to use whatever you have. For seasoning, I'm adding some salt, a tiny bit of jaggery or palm sugar, but you can just use regular sugar if you don't have it, and some tamarind paste, or you can squeeze some lemon juice in. We just want that perfect sweet and sour balance. I'm letting this bubble together for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then all that's left is garnishing it with some fresh cilantro and we're done. And there you have it, Chawli Usal, which is so comforting for those cooler fall evenings, and it's not only delicious but super nutritious. If you don't have the gravy base prep, you can definitely check that video out because it's a total game changer. You can be creative and use it to your style and taste and make your cooking even more fun. So hit that like and subscribe button if this video inspired you or helped you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.